Welcome back to Keto Made Me Do It. I'm Keto, and today we're celebrating the 250th birthday of the United States. So I invited a few friends over for a backyard cookout. We've got good food, backyard vibes, and enough flavor to make freedom ring. Today we're building juicy bacon cheeseburger sliders, tucked into soft butter lettuce cups, and topped with a deliciously smoky burger sauce, creamy loaded cauliflower potato salad, and classic deviled eggs. Big cookout flavor without the carb coma. Let's get cooking. Let's start with our cauliflower potato salad. The cookout side dish lying about being potato salad in a very delicious, low-carb way. Add 1 head of roughly chopped cauliflower to a pot and steam it until it's fork tender but not mushy. We want potato salad texture here, not cauliflower mashed potatoes having an identity crisis. Don't rush this part. Let the cauliflower cool, drain, and get as dry as possible. Wet cauliflower makes soggy potato salad. So while that cools and dries, let's make the dressing. First, add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. That's the creamy base. This is what gives the salad that classic potato salad texture, without the potatoes trying to ruin our macros. Add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon dill pickle juice, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Not Dijon, not fancy sandwich art mustard, just good old yellow mustard. It brings that classic tangy potato salad flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. This gives the dressing a little color and that classic backyard cookout vibe. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until the dressing is smooth, creamy, and fully combined. We want one bold, tangy dressing, not a bowl full of separate little opinions. Now, add the cooled, dried cauliflower. Add 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Because if there are no eggs in the bowl, somebody's aunt is going to have questions. Now add 1/3 cup of diced dill pickles. They cut through the creamy dressing and give the salad some much-needed tang. Then add 1/4 cup of sliced green onions. They give us a little fresh onion flavor, a little color, and just enough attitude without taking over the whole bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of diced celery. That gives the salad some crunch and keeps every bite from feeling the same. Now fold everything together gently until the cauliflower, eggs, celery, pickles, and green onions are coated in that dressing. And remember, fold gently. Keep those florets intact so the salad has texture, not mush. Chill this for at least 30 minutes before serving so the dressing can settle in and all those creamy, tangy, crunchy flavors can come together. Right before plating, finish with a little paprika and sliced green onions. And cauliflower officially earns its cookout invitation. All right, cauliflower salad is chilling and doing its thing. Now let's move on to another cookout classic, deviled eggs. Rich, savory, low carb, and gone from the tray faster than you can say, "I only had one." Next up, deviled eggs. They are basically required by law at every cookout. We're starting with hard-boiled eggs that have been peeled and cooled. Slice them in half, then pop the yolks into a bowl and keep the whites ready for filling. The yolks are where all the rich, creamy filling starts. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon dill pickle juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to your taste. Mix everything until it is smooth and creamy. Now add the egg yolks to the mixture. Mash the yolks into the mixture and mix until once again it is smooth and creamy. Once the filling is smooth and creamy, either spoon it into a piping bag or a zip-top bag with the corner snipped off, and pipe it fancy or spoon it into the egg whites rustic style. Either way, they're getting eaten. The sliders are coming! The sliders are coming! Lettuce cup sliders, that is. Big cookout flavor, no bun required. Let's make the smoky burger sauce first, so it has time to chill while we cook the sliders. Add half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of dill pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of finely diced dill pickles, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. This gives us that classic burger sauce flavor, tangy, smoky, a little pickly, and perfect for lettuce cup sliders. Then cover it and let it chill until the sliders are ready. And don't drown the sliders with it. Just a light dollop does the job. Now that the smoky burger sauce is chilling, let's make the sliders. We're starting with 1½ pounds of ground beef. I like 80-20 for this because the little bit of extra fat helps keep the sliders juicy. To season it, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Gently mix just until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Overworking the beef can make the burgers dense instead of tender. Now gently divide the seasoned beef into slider-sized portions and shape them into small patties. Don't pack them too tight, just press them together enough to hold their shape. Then make them a little wider than you want the finished sliders to be because they'll shrink as they cook. All right, patties are shaped and ready to go. Now let's head to the grill and cook these little beauties up right. Make sure that grill is preheated before the patties hit the grates. Cold grill, sad burgers. Hot grill, happy cookout. Now place the slider patties on the grill and leave them alone for a few minutes. Don't poke them, don't press them, don't keep checking underneath like they owe you money. Let that first side sear for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until you get a nice crust on the bottom. Then flip the patties and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Since these are smaller sliders, they cook pretty quickly, so keep an eye on them. You want them juicy, not turned into little backyard hockey pucks. Once they're almost done, add the cheese. We're using American cheese slices cut into halves, so each slider gets just enough cheese to melt over the top. Close the grill lid for about a minute and let that cheese melt down. Once the patties are cooked through, pull them off the grill and let them rest for just a couple minutes. That little rest gives the juices time to settle back into the meat instead of running all over the plate. Now grab your lettuce cups and start building. For ours, we kept it simple. 1 cheesy slider patty, a light dollop of the smoky burger sauce, a little crispy bacon, and a pickle on top. That's it. Simple, low carb, and absolutely delicious. But feel free to add your favorite toppings and own those sliders. Big burger flavor, no bun required. We hope these dishes make your 4th of July cookout extra delicious. From me and all my friends, thanks for watching. Be safe, have a fantastic holiday, and if your guests go back for seconds, keto made me do it.